The perfect balance of art and technology. The sleek look of sophistication. Tomorrow's comforts are here today. With refined curves and a stunning form, Veil is state-of-the-art performance sculpted for the ultimate comfort. One-touch control of cleansing features. A seat cover that automatically opens and closes with adjustable sensing distance. The ergonomic French curve seat is shaped for comfort. The front wash cleanses gently with air-infused water using 78 fine nozzles. Pulsating wash cleanses and massages. And spiral spray wash effectively cleanses a broad area. Sterilized water disinfects the nozzle after each use. An automatic UV light sanitizes the nozzle every 24 hours. Warm air drying maintains cleanliness and comfort. And the automatic deodorizer keeps your bathroom fresh. All-round powerful flushing combines with a rimless bowl for optimal hygiene. Double jets siphon efficiently and powerfully to clean completely. For a cleaner look and even more space, Veil also comes in a wall-mounted model. All the form and function of the Veil, with the water tank hidden away in the wall. With 3 different models to suit your design needs. KOHLER Veil, when technology meets art.